Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's be much conscious about the fasting that we are doing because it serves as a protection for us against the hellfire. It came in other narrations of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that the fasting serves as a protection for the believer against the hellfire, just as the warrior uses his shield to protect himself in the battlefield. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, الصيام جنة فإذا كان أحدكم صائما فلا يرفث ولا يجهل فإن امرؤ قاتله أو شاتمه فليقل إني صائم. That is, the fasting serves as a shield, a protection for us. And if we find ourselves fasting, if any of you find himself to be in the state of fasting, then he should not be engaged into immoral behaviors and immoral actions. If anybody tries to provoke him or get into argument with him, then he should tell the person that I am fasting, and I don't want to be engaged into immoral acts or behaviors. Let's be conscious of what we do and what we say once we are in the state of fasting, because the fasting, when we do it well, it serves as a protection for us against the hellfire. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala let us get this virtue of the fasting, which is being a protection for us against the hellfire. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.